Good day viewers, welcome to Learners Hangout. Today I will be showing you how to actually install Windows 11 on your PC. A lot of people have been encountering challenges while trying to install Windows 11, and it happened to be as a result of the Microsoft requirement, which is the 2.0 TPM mandatory requirement and also the secure boot requirement. So if this has been the case, then this tutorial is for you because actually there is a way out of it. So first of all, you need Windows 11 ISO file for this installation, and also you need a flash drive of not less than 8 GB in size, and as well we'll be needing a software called Rufus. I'll be putting the link down below. This Rufus is for you to be able to burn the ISO file of Windows 11 into your USB drive in order to make it bootable. Alright, open on Rufus, then insert your USB flash drive into your PC. You can actually do that before opening Rufus, whichever way. Okay, right now you can see that my USB flash drive has been detected and it's 8 GB in size. The next thing is to come to select and actually go through your PC and select the Windows 11 ISO file that you have on your PC already. So I have mine on my desktop. So this is my Windows 11 ISO file. I click to mount it. So the second step here, on the image option, make sure you have standard selected. Okay, by default it comes with standard. Now the second most important thing is this partition section. Alright, so here we have GTP and MBR, which is the master boot record. Now how do you actually know if your system supports MBR or GPT? Actually, there is a way to find out. So let me show you how to quickly find out if your system supports MBR. You're gonna see that from your hard drive. So I want you to open up File Explorer, right click on this PC. I'm actually on Windows 11, so I click on Show More option, then I click on Manage, then click on this Management. Alright, so right here I right click on the disk 0, then I go to Properties, click on Volumes. So under Partition Style you can see Master Boot Record. So that is how you know which selection to make. So that being known, let's get back to Rufus. Okay, so I have to change my partition scheme from GPT to Master Boot Record. Automatically the target system changes to BIOS. Okay, so you just need to know if you are on Master Boot Record, which is MBR or GPT. So once that is being done, every other thing comes automatically default. So don't change any other thing. Immediately you have selected your partition scheme. So the next thing is for you to head down to this button, Start button, and click on it. A warning pops up, click OK to continue. So our flash drive is being made to be bootable. So I'll pause the video and come back when everything is done. Okay. Okay, so at this point, Rufus has successfully made our flash drive bootable. So the next thing to do is to click on Close button that we have right here. Once this is done, all we need to do is to restart our PC. The essence of restarting your PC is for you to boot your flash drive from the BIOS mode. Okay, if you don't actually know how to boot your flash drive from the BIOS, please you can look up for tutorial, and if I have chance I may make a tutorial on that. Okay, so immediately the PC restarts, I'll keep on hitting the F9 function 9 key till I enter the boot mode. Okay, so it could differ from your own PC, but try to check up online to see which function key takes you to your different boot option. Okay, F9, you can see I've entered the boot options. The next step here is for me to go down to the USB hard drive here and click enter. in order for me to boot from my USB drive. So right now my PC has booted through my USB flash drive, so I can continue the installation process. So click on next button and click on install now. Alright, I would like to see the error that is likely to come up. So once you see that error, then I go back to showing you what to do in order for you to bypass that. So you can see the message that this PC doesn't meet minimum system requirement. So what happened from here is that I will hold on shift and click on F10 key together. This opens up a command prompt. Okay, on the command prompt type regedit, click enter. So on register edit, go down to HKey local machine, this one here, and with the arrow at the left side, click it to expand. Now go down again to system, click the arrow to expand it, and finally go down to where we have set up. Okay, click on it, expand it, then right click on it. Now what we need to do here is to create a new key. So create a new key. Okay, name that key LabConfig. Okay, just please take note of the uppercase and the lowercase. More like saying lab configuration, LabConfig. Okay, then hit enter to commit. So on this plain side, you need to create 2D words. Okay, so how do you do that? You right click here, then you go to new, then go to D word 32-bit value, click on it. So this first D word, we are going to name it BypassTPMCheck. Okay, always look at the character, the uppercase and the lowercase, so that you don't make mistake. BypassTPMCheck. So that is done. You hit enter key to commit, then double click on it to open it, then change this value that we have here to 1, then click OK. So we need to create another D word. Okay, so right click once again, come to new, go to D word, then change the name now to BypassSecureBootCheck. Okay, then hit enter to commit. Now double click on it once again to change the value, make it 1, then click OK. Once you are done, just have to click this button here to close it, so that we can go a page backward in our installation to continue. And as well close the command prompt. Now go back one time and then click next. Alright, as you can see, we have already bypassed those requirements. So the next thing is just the normal process of accepting, clicking next, and voila, your Windows will be installed. Okay, so with this method you are going to bypass any kind of Windows 11 requirements, and you will successfully install Windows 11. I won't continue this installation because already I have Windows 11 installed. Okay, so I'll pull out from this moment. So if this video has been helpful to you, please make out time to give me a thumb up, and as well subscribe to my video.